The Nebulizer Kit-Cs 50 Disposables is a convenient and essential tool for those who require respiratory treatments. This kit includes a medication cup, T adapter, 7 tubing, mouthpiece, and reservoir tube, making it easy to administer medication effectively. The crush-resistant tubing ensures durability and longevity, while the adult aerosol mask provides a comfortable fit for users. With the ability to provide 80% of particles in the respirable range, this kit is designed to deliver medication efficiently to the lungs. The HPHES code is 7003 plus is 7015 ensures that this kit is covered by insurance for those who need it. With 50 kits included in each case, this product is a cost-effective solution for healthcare providers and individuals alike. Whether used in a clinical setting or at home, the Nebulizer Kit-Cs 50 Disposables is a reliable and effective option for respiratory therapy.